Alright, so what I'm up to, here I go. I decided to take the Monte Carlo out for a nice fall run, get some photos on Hines Drive. As soon as I reach Hines Drive, the actual street, boom, smoke is behind me. I'm like, why is it smoking? Car's supposed to be good. I pull over here and look at this. Coolant everywhere. So guess what? We got a problem. Most importantly, we have a leak. Where about? I don't know. But we're gonna have to find it. So guess what Thursdays all about? Thursdays is all about finding the leak. Look at that. Insane. Nasty. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. So here we are. Stuck in paradise, I guess. But we aren't doing so well. I don't know if it's overheating because the gauge was okay, but we got fluid everywhere. We have a leak. So I called Keith, New Day Towing. Guess what? He's in the area, en route. And your boy just gotta sit back and wait for a tow truck. This is the first time I had to wait for a tow truck with this car, but like my boy Kenny say, get used to the side of the road. I'm gonna go and put me a picnic table and a chair in there if this is gonna happen more often. We're gonna be side of the road campers.
Nice morning, dude.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. But in the meantime, let's make it look good. Stuck in paradise.
I end up getting going tomorrow, and hopefully I can come out there and
okay.
mess around with it if you want to.
Oh, you got it. Hit me up. Let me know what you up to.
For
More
sure.
than likely.
My dad's been waiting on me for about a week now.
Okay.
So if it's raining, I probably won't get to it, but
Okay.
I'll be working on my dad's. I gotta put a fuel system on it. It won't take that long, but
Okay.
probably around like 12-ish, unless it rains. If it rains, I'll just come out to your shop because I ain't working out in the driveway in the rain.
Okay. Look at this duck about to come over here.
Oh yeah.
He's like, hold on, cuz, what year is that? What year is that, cuz? I used to have a blue one just like it.
I'm gonna look on. You gonna go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or what?
O'Reilly's more than likely.
O'Reilly's?
Yeah.
Right, let me look on.
Yep.
What's that Monte Carlo like?
Man. Shit's crazy.
What was that?
Fucking Honda Accord.
Oh yeah.
Yep, ripping. Yep. So, stranded on Paradise Lane. Everybody got their cameras out. I'm stranded.
Look at James, his car broke down.
Already, the first time.
Already.
Yep. He already working with it and everything.
Oh yeah, that's a nice truck.
Hell yeah, that truck brand fucking new. He had that thing put on there.
That's pretty sick, actually.
I bet that camera on there so clear.
Damn, he's about to hook you up.
Yeah, tow that boy.
Poor Monte Carlo.
Yeah, poor little thing.
How was you running before that though? Pretty good?
Hell yeah, dude, I was floating down the road. I was floating before I turned right here off of Joy Road. I was pushing it.
Oh yeah. How's it feel? Pretty good?
Ah, so strong.
Sounds good?
Yeah, she's purring. Ooh, look at that lockup.
That's it.
I'm about to get this guy some views on YouTube.
That guy's got a fucking repo cars, I feel like.
Hell yeah.
Cause he's on that shit like right now.
Yeah, told you. No games.
That's sick, though.
Yeah. Well, shit, you know, another day. We're gonna get to it.
Another day.
What's going on, Key? Appreciate it, man. All right, I'll holler at you.
All right, dog.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah. Stuck. You know, look, the hose broke right here. Shit, wag as fuck, like right up under here. That's where the hole is. There you go. Right there. Fucking shit was skirting everywhere.
Fix that right quick.
Yeah. Did the, yeah. So I guess we just got ourselves a little story for today. It happens. Yeah, oh, that's it. Damn. All right, so we are back. We have made it. Call that the quick tow. You like this?
Yeah.
You like this better than the bed?
When I'm lazy.
Yeah. Damn there, quick tow. 2-minute tow.
I got a plow on the front of this truck too.
Oh, okay. All right, so she's back at the garage safe. Thanks to Keith. I call him up. He's the man with the toes. He on it. Got me back to the shop in no time. Now I'm about to go home and then start my day tomorrow, putting this car back together, making sure it runs. It never quits. Okay, this old school stuff is one thing break, you gotta fix another thing. That break, you gotta fix another thing. And how it goes, you just can't get too overwhelmed because it can piss you off at a point where you will be like, I don't want to drive no old school. This is the reason why I don't drive old schools, so I want to drive new schools. But I'm telling you, in the end, in the long run, it's worth it. Because when you get it all done, you'll damn near have a brand new car. You won't have to worry about these things. And if you do run into stuff, you will know exactly what failed, and then you could just fix it. But it just takes that time. You got to go through it. Each and every one, you just have to go through it. So that's it on today. And I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, I don't have no stash. Had to cut it off for a movie role, so they want you cleaned up. So I've been up since 4 o'clock on that tip, and then I got some time to drive my car, and I thought that's what I was gonna do this afternoon, and it didn't happen. I drove it, but I ended up coming to a stop because it was an emergency stop, and that's not never good when you're trying to cruise. So, see ya next vid. This was just a little terrible little hiccup we're going through, and I just wanted to show y'all what's going on. So, till next time, bags on the go.